Scots. I'm Sophia.
Welcome back to Scots Weekly and happy Friday. I'm Gracie.
Let's get into the announcements for today.
First, the counselors are hosting their second annual Highland College Fair today during lunch. Make sure to stop by if you have any questions. The event is only happening during lunch.
Second, want to boost your college application? Want to make a difference in your community? If you have a 3.5 GPA or higher, National Honor Society is accepting applications. Applications are due Friday, September 27th, and if you have any questions, please contact Miss Romanoff in 5J or Miss Thompson in 4PG. Finally, if you have any announcements for Scots Weekly, please email Mr. Zavala at any time. That goes for any staff member and student here at Highland. Mr. Zavala's email is jose_zavala@kernhigh.org. It's time for a commercial break.
We'll be back in a few moments.
Hi, my name is Kira, and are you guys looking for a club? Are you guys broke? Well, here, I have the club for you. Join the Future Finance Professionals. Today, we're going to discuss what we do in that club. What we do in that club is we help you guys profit and help with your financials in the future. We meet at Thursday every lunch at 14A.
Hey Scots, how would you like to support your video production class while showcasing your creativity? By purchasing a video production shirt, you can do just that. These stylish and comfy shirts are perfect for any occasion, whether you're on set or you're hanging out with your friends. Plus, wearing one shows school spirit and plaid, so go buy a video production shirt and show your pride in Highland. Shirts start selling next Monday on September 23rd and ends on October 3rd, so come support your school and buy a shirt.
Welcome back, Scots.
It's time for sports.
Welcome to Sports, I'm Ja.
Hey Scots, I'm Julian.
Let's get into some sports announcements for the week.
The football team is now 4-0 with a big win against Kingsburg last Friday night. The final score was Highland 17 and Kingsburg 14. Tonight's game will be against Porterville here at Highland. Go Scots.
Now we will be going into some water polo interviews with Raquel. Take it away.
Hey Scots, today I'm here with
Jaden. Zane.
What position do you play?
Utility.
Why do you like to play water polo?
Because it's fun. I play water polo because it's fun and I get to make new friends.
How's the season gone?
Pretty good. It's doing good.
What's the best part about water polo?
Probably scoring goals. Probably scoring those cool goals that everyone yells at.
Thank you for those interviews.
Remember, Scots, the pool is coming soon, so if you would like to be part of the water polo team or the swim team here at Highland, talk to Mr. Prosser at 4PI.
Cross country team has a meet today at Woodbridge. Good luck to our runners. Go Scots.
If you would like to play a sport here at Highland, stop by the athletics office at any time.
That's it for sports today.
Thank you, guys.
Check out this video.
Who am I here with today?
Victor Seves.
What is your favorite spot to eat here in Bakersfield?
La Villa.
Okay, what do you get there?
Carne asada.
Ty Townsend.
Carrots Jackson.
And what is your favorite place to eat here in Bakersfield?
Definitely Shoyo Sushi. It's pretty good.
I'm gonna say Wingstop, I guess. Or no, the 1800s, yeah?
Okay. Oh yeah, okay. What do you guys get there?
I usually get a caterpillar roll and like a California roll, you know, just sushi is good.
I get like this burger and it got bacon in it with an Oreo shake.
Okay.
Nicholas Lewis.
What is your favorite spot to eat here in Bakersfield?
My favorite spot is In-N-Out.
What do you get?
A double-double with animal style fries with a large vanilla shake, 14.72 on the dot.
Who am I here with today?
King Miller.
And what is your favorite spot to eat here in Bakersfield?
Frosty King.
What do you get?
I be getting that big burger like 3 patties, 3 cheese, and like, you know, and then, you gotta have the Sprite with it too, you feel me?
Allie.
Okay, and what is your favorite spot to eat in here in Bakersfield?
Oh gosh, Luigi's.
Okay, what do you get there?
The pasta bolognese.
Misael.
And what is your favorite spot to eat here in Bakersfield?
Probably Panda.
What do you get?
Orange chicken, chow mein, and broccoli beef.
Samantha.
And what is your favorite spot to eat here in Bakersfield?
Probably it would be La Via, the taco place.
Okay, what do you get there?
I get a hot Cheeto burrito.
Okay. Here with today?
Junior.
And what is your favorite spot to eat here at Bakersfield?
Jerry's Pizza.
And what do you get there?
Oh, you know, the iconic Jerry slice, $3.
Okay. Oh, thank you.
Let's go with the Shira.
She has some information about the new counselor here at Highland.
Hey Scots, I'm Ashira. Just in case you didn't know by now, Counselor Martinez will not be here at Highland for a few months. Marisol Luna is covering for her during this time. If you have any questions, please email Luna at any time.
The college fair is happening today during lunch.
That's it for today.
Thank you for watching.
And always remember to
Plaid up.